Okay, so let's do some unboxings. I ordered a bunch of stuff, like 20 packets, I think, and 5 of them arrived already. So let's see. The first one, I don't know what this is. There are so many that, yeah, I lost track. Let's see. Come on, you don't want to come out. More cuts. Yeah. Come on. Come on. And it's a... Oh. This is a tube cutter for... Oh. Does this mean multi-straight? That's how it's showed there. On the website it didn't say multi-straight with plastic, aluminum and plastic. On the website it just said plastic and copper. So yeah. This may be a good choice. It was just like $3. Let's see if it has any defects or something. Nope. Seems legit. 2 rollers here. I don't know why there's a groove there. Must be some scientific explanation, or they reused some other parts for something else that was made for something else. So yeah, it can do any dimension. Yeah, this seems alright. So for people who don't know, you use this by just inserting the pipe here and keep squeezing it, make a turn. Squeeze it more, make a turn, and after a while the tube gives up and it's cut. So yeah, usually tubes are like 2 millimeters, have 2 millimeter walls maximum, or even thinner, like 1 millimeter. Okay, so for $3, I think it's okay. It probably has some minor problems, but structurally it's fine. Okay, this will be very useful when I'm trying to repair the water system here, because pressure always goes down in the heating system. I don't know why. Whenever the gas-powered boiler heater thing, when that gets cold, the pressure drops down and puts an error. So the whole system is leaking somewhat, but not as much, not that much. I don't know. It just drops below 0.6 bar, and then the system has a problem with it. So yeah, let's see what else. Oops, sorry. This is big and fluffy. What the hell did I order that's big and fluffy? Maybe they sent me something by accident. Or it's just wrapped in fluff. Probably just wrapped. Yep. Somebody wrapped it good. This... Oh! It's grass for our cat. Yeah. Katzengras! Trixie! Katzengras! You have to grow this out. Okay, something else. So this is 2. And this is number 3. Man, they just... Oh boy. Yep. Yep. This is probably also for pipe work from 6 to 32 millimeters. Yeah. This one, you call it a debrower. So after you cut a pipe, there's some little parts left over, and you just basically put it inside, twist it a bit, and then it gets soft. I mean, it gets all the bad bits. And then you put it here, and it gets the exterior bad bits. Okay, this was... Oh, this was expensive. This was for $5. Almost $5. Yeah. What else is there? This... It's a flat package. I think I know what this is. Let's open it more friendly. Try to save the packaging. Like that. Oops. And it's a... Yeah. It's a thing. Allegedly, these are 500 screws. Metric 2 and metric 3 for laptops and all sorts of stuff. Yeah, I believe them. It was $4 to $5, depending on how you count, with free shipping. One, two, three, four, five. So 10 times 50 should be 500. But I'm just looking at the screws. These are not PC screws. These are for are all for laptops. Laptops and maybe like an external HDD rack. Yeah. I don't have these screws, so that's why I bought it. For $5, $6, $3, whatever bucks. So 1, 2, 3, the cat food, and what else? There has to be one more. And I don't know where it went. Oh boy. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. I didn't even... It's a cardboard box. I forgot. I got one of these too. Let's open one side. One size fits all. Like this. And like this. And what is this? Ooh, I got it. Deodorant. Like for men. Yeah, these are exactly the same that I got last time. This is slightly deformed. But the packaging is still intact, so I don't know. Let's see the manufacturing date. Yeah, I need to look into this. 2022. Is that the manufacturing date or the expiry date? Should be the manufacturing date because there's an hour and a minute here. So yeah, expiry dates don't usually have that detail. They just have a month or what do you call it? month or a week. That's the smallest they go usually. So what I want to see here is after opening. Oh, it has no animal testing. Yeah. Oh. Termen de valabilitate 36 de luni. It means 36 month. So this is until December. This is already expired because it's September. Okay, I will write a negative review about this, but the other two are fine. This is 2026. This is until December. And suck my balls. Why do they send me this? That's September. Because it's September now, and how do I use it? I just put it on all of my body and hope to use it until the end of the month. Oh boy. So yeah, all these things cost me like $4 to $5. Let's say $4. $3, and this was like 5, 6. Yeah, I spent a lot, man. But are all the things here? So 1, 2, 3, 4. What was the other one? Oh yeah, the cat thing. This was only $2, and it lasts for maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You just put it in water, and leaves just grow out, and yeah, hopefully it's compatible with white cats with yellow spots. Our cat is not like this. It's not gray, and he doesn't look this stupid. He looks really smart. So yeah, hopefully. I don't think that's how the cat's anus looks like. That's a human anus. Maybe it's the same, I don't know. So yeah, this grows in 3 to 5 days, and does it say here in English? Grow your own barley seed. Natural digestive aid. Gives cats the indispensable green. Put the seeds in a bowl and water moderately at the beginning. Place it in a light and warm area at the height of 4 to 5 centimeters. You can offer it to your cat. Yeah. So why in the Romanian it says 3 to 5 days, but in English it doesn't mention? Oh well. Cats and grass! I guess who put this label on, they warranty it, or how do you say it? Not warranty, but they assume, they tell you that what to expect. Okay. So yeah, at least 10 other packages will be coming tomorrow or the other day, and more cheap and swell stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Where is it? I bought something stupid. I mean, something very intelligent, but it's not working. So this is for the kitchen faucet. So it can spray in these tiny little holes, or it can spray in the middle, and that's a thicker beam of water. And what these geniuses did is that the inside is perfectly what it has to be. the inside mechanism can switch between these two modes and even enable both modes at once. But there's no way to turn it. There's no way to activate the interior. This is just a decorative ring here, and there's nothing to twist or move or nothing. So yeah, I'm sending this one back, even though it came with all the accessories and even this that you can adapt to a bigger faucet like this. Yeah, and another piece of silicone rubber. So yeah, this was a big fail. $3, $4, but it doesn't have the switch. It should have a toggle switch here that can go left, right, or stay in the middle, and then it sprays from all the holes. So yeah, this was a disappointment, sending it back. The other stuff are probably fine. So, see you next time.